Alright guys, so in this video we will change our command prompt color. So just wrote here color Z and hit the enter button. So these are the attributes. Okay, let me press any key to continue. Here I just wrote color and 0 a and hit the enter button, and look at this, background remains black and text color will be changed to green. Let me try more combination of this. Okay, so if I want background color blue and text color light green, I will do like that, 1 a and hit the enter button, like that. You can try as many combination like attribute mentioned over here. Okay, let us try one more. Let's try yellow text and background color 8. So it will be color 8a. COLOR color 8a and hit the enter button. Color 86. Try. Okay. So in this way you can try as many combination. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel Computer Shikuya. Thank you so much.